Hey, everybody. Welcome to Marshy's Inspired Studio. Don't know if you're aware of the new things that happened December 24th of 2025, but it's tax season and we are running around Herod doing taxes, people giving us receipts late, and we're trying to meet all of our deadlines. So you need to know what has happened. The IRS is saying, hey, we'll accept the postmark date if you stood in the line. Okay? But this is where it gets tricky because the IRS says, hey, we accept the postmark date from the post office. But the post office changed their code. So what they did is they said, hey, it's not going to count unless it's gone through sorting facility. So let me read this to you so you can hear it. Effective December 24th, 2025, the U.S. Postal Service updated its rules so the postmark usually reflects the date mail is processed at the sorting facility, not necessarily the date you dropped it in the mailbox. That means your envelope might get a later postmark date if you mailed it before the deadline. If the postmark shows a date after the deadline, the IRS may treat the return or the payment as late. They don't care. And you and I both know, since we do books, we work on taxes. Guess what? They charge interest and they charge a penalty. So you have got to get your taxes in before, because the sorting center has been known to be late 2 weeks at the processing center where it's just holding in the bags because they have so much volume. So I need you to be aware of this because a lot of people don't know about it right now. And I am trying to save you thousands of dollars. If this brought you any value, put a like, a share, a comment in the box, in the below. Okay? Sorry, my brain is fried. I've been working on taxes. If you've been working on taxes, give me girl, I know. I mean, I got people giving me receipts in paper bags. I mean, what's happening here? I've ran out of paper. It's just one of them things. So, what can you do? File electronically. Make sure that you use certified registered mail with receipt. This gives data proof, but understand you've got the left not knowing what the right is doing. And if it gets stuck in that processing center, this is going to be a problem. If you do your own taxes, do not wait to the last minute and put it in the box day of thinking, oh, on April 15th, it'll be great. Oh, it probably won't if you put it in that blue box. When I go to the post office and I ask them, hey, do you have that stamp? Can you postmark that stamp? Oh, we don't do that anymore. Insist upon that postmark. And the other thing, this is your bonus. Take a picture of it while you're standing right there that it was postmarked with the date and your address of where it came from as proof that you actually did it by that postmark date. Okay, so bottom line, yes, the IRS does honor the postmark date as the filing date if it's not on or before, if if it's on or before the deadline. But starting in 2026, the U.S. Postal Service policy may delay that postmark date beyond the actual mail drop-off date, potentially causing timely mailed returns to appear late. Hope that helps. You can go to the IRS Publication 17, U.S. Postal Mark Changes Impacting Tax Filing. Be blessed. Bye-bye.